Think New York City food is all about overpriced restaurants? Think again, some of these dishes cost less than a Subway swipe. But they taste like 5-star meals, others hidden gems even lifelong locals haven't found yet. Stick around till the end because we're revealing a secret food festival where you can try them all in one place, from crispy dollar slice pizza to juicy halal chicken over rice. NYC's street food scene isn't just about snacks, it's a lifestyle, but here's the real deal: some spots are overhyped, some are overpriced, and a few pure street food magic. Don't go anywhere, because we're about to unlock the tastiest secrets of New York streets, fast, flavorful, iconic. That's New York's street food in a nutshell. Believe it or not, NYC's first street vendors popped up back in the 1600s, selling roasted nuts and oysters. By the early 1900s, those pushcarts evolved into food trucks feeding the city's immigrants and working-class heroes. Today you'll find everything from authentic Mexican tacos and Korean barbecue to Middle Eastern shawarma and even gourmet lobster rolls. So let's dig in. These are the must-try street foods that define New York City: dollar slice pizza, crispy crust, gooey cheese, tangy tomato sauce, a true New York classic. Hit up Joe's Pizza, or 99-cent fresh pizza, budget-friendly, flavor-packed halal chicken over rice. Juicy spice-marinated chicken, buttery yellow rice drenched in that legendary white sauce, creamy, garlicky, addictive. Try the Halal Guys or Adel's famous halal cart hot dogs, grilled sausage in a soft bun topped with mustard, onions, or sauerkraut. Simple, satisfying, iconic. Grab one at Gray's Papaya or Nathan's famous soft pretzels, warm, chewy, salt-sprinkled perfection, best enjoyed with spicy mustard. Find them near Central Park or Times Square. Chopped cheese, part cheeseburger, part sandwich, grilled ground beef, melted cheese, onions, peppers, all on a hero roll. Try Haji's Deli or Blue Sky Deli in Harlem. NYC Bagels. Boiled then baked, soft inside, chewy outside, smothered in cream cheese. Classic New York comfort. Head to Ess-a-Bagel or Absolute Bagels. Tacos and birria flavor bombs wrapped in corn tortillas, stuffed with slow-cooked meat, fresh cilantro, onions, served with spicy consommé for dipping. Try Birria Landia or Los Tacos. Number 1 Dumplings, golden crispy on the outside, juicy and savory on the inside. Hit Vanessa's Dumpling House or Prosperity Dumpling in Chinatown. Waffles with ice cream, crispy Belgian waffles, creamy scoops topped with caramel or chocolate drizzle. Waffles and Dinges has you covered, but trust us, we're just getting warmed up. Because some of the city's most unforgettable bites are tucked inside food markets and food trucks. Let's go Smorgasburg, Brooklyn, a street food wonderland with over 100 vendors, from ramen burgers to truffle fries. It's a foodie's playground. Queens Night Market, a global street food festival. Taste the world, Asia, the Middle East, Latin America, and beyond, all in one spot. Chelsea Market, meatpacking district, lobster rolls, handmade tacos, artisanal snacks, all indoors, all delicious. And now, from food to drinks, time to raise a glass to New York's legendary bar scene. Rooftop bars, 235th, panoramic views of the Empire State Building, Bain. Rooftop pool, stylish vibes, sunset cocktails, Speakeasies, please don't tell, hidden behind a phone booth inside a hot dog shop. The back room, a Prohibition-era bar where cocktails come in teacups. Dive bars, McSorley's Old Ale House, NYC's oldest pub since 1854. Jimmy's Corner, boxing history, cheap drinks, no frills, but before you splurge, here's how to sip and snack smarter after 9 p.m. Many food carts, lower prices, late night hunger, ask about deals, some pizza spots throw in a free soda or garlic knot, if you know to ask, in bars in Hell's Kitchen or the Lower East Side. Happy hours with $5 drinks before 7 p.m. That's your golden hour. Now for the big reveal: the Queens Night Market. No tickets, no velvet ropes, just over 50 countries represented, and every dish around $5-6. It's the ultimate New York food festival, and no one leaves hungry. So now you've got the ultimate street food map of NYC. But here's the big question: what's calling your name? Cheesy pizza, spicy tacos, or that crispy chicken and waffles? Drop your cravings in the comments, and if this video made your stomach growl, smash that like button and subscribe for more epic NYC food adventures. Next up, New York's legendary restaurants, the must-visit icons every true foodie needs to experience.